Let's talk about using a custom report to monitor a run in progress. The report already must exist in the workspace before you use it. It's just like viewing any other report. And I'm going to show a report that has line graphs that show the information as it occurs. So let's look at a run that I've got going. You go over and you pick the default time range. Say display report. The report I have is called dashboard. It's a bunch of line graphs. And there it is. And so I have running the users graph, which shows how many users are running. Got our page response time for all the pages. Got CPU utilization. And I've got pages per second, which is the sort of thing that I want to look at as the run's going. And each point on the graph is taken from one interval, the most recent interval. And that's why you get this choppy look in the graphs. When you're looking at one of these graphs, the plateaus are denoted by the little boxes at the top of the graph. So that's when you're in a plateau. We just took a look at monitoring a run in progress using a report that has line graphs in it. It's just like looking at any other report, except that there are line graphs. The report with line graphs shows information as it occurs. Each interval of data is shown as a point on the graph. The plateaus are shown as partial boxes at the top of the graph.